I'm here at MET 2023 with Ben Harden of Allen, and first of all, I would like to take a look at your new 40mm high-load blocks. You've increased the range a bit.
That's it, Mark. So we launched our new 40mm dynamic block range at the start of the year at Düsseldorf, and it's a new range. It's completely revamping that whole 40mm dynamic block offering that we had, giving us more options with beckets and fiddles and cleat variations. And something that we offer now as well within this 40mm range is a high load sheave. So we call it a high load. The actual braking loads are still the same, but the working loads are slightly higher than the standard acetal sheave version. But the major selling feature of this high load block is the friction reduction that it offers. Having a stainless steel sheave paired with stainless steel ball bearings just allows the sheave to run so quickly, and remove so much friction from a system that it really is, a unique product.
One thing I've noticed with Allen is every time you make a new product, your customers just come to you saying, I would like to do it for this, for this, for this. And so you end up having to make so many different variations for them.
That's it. I mean, sailing and other industries that use blocks, there's so many different applications for them, and to have the right thing that does exactly the right job, we're more than happy to expand the range. And the high load thing is just another evolving revolution of all that sort of stuff, because people are looking for less friction in the same form. So by putting that high load sheave in there, it just it offers that option.
Now, another range that you've brought out is your AY fittings, and you used to have a foundry at Allen, but now you're actually machining these products.
Yeah, that's right. So about 3 years ago now, we closed our foundry, unfortunately, and in the foundry we did a lot of casting, so casting horn cleats, rudder stocks, all this sort of stuff. And to be honest, it was just an old-fashioned way of doing things, and we closed it down, but the need for those products was still there. So what we now do is we mill them on our machines, and we're coming up with a new range. Looks much nicer, it's much more modern. Everything is exactly as it should be. The fixing holes are all exactly the same, which is quite hard to achieve sometimes with a cast molding. So yeah, this new sort of growing range again of what we call the AY fittings, which is designed for sort of more keel boats, that sort of uses, is now available again, but in a more modern style.
And this, with your British manufacturing, the foundry, as you say, was an old-fashioned way of doing things, but you have got some incredibly advanced machines now to create these products.
That's right, we're always investing in new machines. You've got to keep up with the times. Technology is always evolving, so you need to have those machines to be able to create new type of products. And the factory always growing. We've actually now got a third part of our factory we've just expanded into, where we're doing a lot of spar manufacturing, and just keep growing.
I always find it fascinating coming to see you at Allen, just because of all of the processes just changing all of the time, and it's just great to see British manufacturing at its absolute best. Ben, many thanks indeed for your time.
Yeah, thanks, Mark.